Is your skin losing its radiance? Deep buildup and stress dull your natural glow. Ordinary facials aren't enough anymore. Hydra Bubbles Facial deeply vacuums away impurities, blackheads, and oil, simultaneously infuses skin with intensive hydration. Exosome Infusion Next Gen Cellular Technology accelerates skin repair, collagen, and renewal. The Next Gen Cellular Glow, visibly smaller pores, smoother texture, and instant radiance, rejuvenated from the inside out. Hydra Bubbles with Exosome. Experience advanced skin transformation. Send us a message to book your appointment.